today I'm gonna go to the shooting range. Currently, I have a 43X and I'm a Glock girl. Like, I love Glocks. I don't think I will ever cheat on a Glock and get something else. Yeah! Come along with me to go shooting.
I honestly think you would enjoy that NC9.
I don't want to wait no longer.
Really?
It costs about the same amount as that Glock 19, but it's got a lot more.
She a lot girly, that's why.
That's actually a pretty smart idea.
You want me to?
You like it? I like it. It has nice size too.
Something really nice about this, yeah, can it?
Yeah, true. There's a
Something really nice about it.
Me only know about this one range where they
Compensator
are
built into it. So what that does is it pushes the gas upward to help reduce that fuel.
It's got a built-in compensator?
Yeah.
That's
What's that?
badass.
NC9 Prime.
Dude, that's badass.
Considered flared?
Yeah.
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 And take a wild guess about how much that thing costs.
5?
About $650.
I see them again.
That's not bad.
High fives to mid sixes.
That's not bad.
That and it gives you the option to put an optic
Yeah,
on
that
it
may
if
be a
you
video
want.
something.
This
Something
time
like that. Now still in.
That's like,
that
that reminds me of.
By the time we reach,
New target. New target.
This is one of those that
right?
How about 2 in there? I think that's it.
Hope I like
We'll
this
stop.
I don't know if you felt it, but you had way more control after that, though.
Huh? I know.
But you did it.
This one before we go to the next one.
Again, oh, you're not allowed
Oh, so free. Oh, why did I think this one was 3? Hey, Gert.
I want to go change it out, or you want to shoot more of it?
I do want to try a different gun.
Okay.
Wait,
You guys gonna trade it out?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah, it's just nice.
Right?
It feels like a BB gun.
Yeah.
Like an overpowered BB gun.
Yeah. It's so loud in here. I'm sure you guys can't hear us.
I'm gonna sign it to you.
Dude, I would every night.
Oh,
Dude, I don't get why.
oh, right there.
Like people having like.
Is the mag single stack or double? What does it hold?
That third gun. Forget Glocks. I'm good off Glocks. No, thank you. It's like, I'm kidding. I will never cheat on my Glocks. I love a good Glock. But that third gun was so good. Like, oh my god. That's my next buy for sure. This is gonna be my next baby right here.
Another one I think you would like. The 365 Fuse. It is rather big. but it is very comfortable to shoot. And after that, maybe this one.
So here's a little perspective on where it's like I need to use this for practice. I need to use this for like
I
for my ammo.
am
This thing's not gonna last forever.
very, very happy that I came because I was seriously going to buy the Glock 19, the Gen 6, the new one, but now that I came and I've shot it, I think I'm good. Like, we are leaving.
He doesn't even.
Anyways, Sada is leaving Glocks for now.
Getting a Canic.
I'm getting a Canic. Sophie,
Huh?
did you have
I want a
fun?
Glock 45.
I don't want. I'm good. That shit was handling me. I can't.
You gotta lay it down like this.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, like this.
My foot, I'm not going like this to the side. Because when you stand to the side, you can open.